Thank you for watching these videos. Today let's create our database. Alright, so in Laravel they are called migrations. I'm going to use Notepad++. Let me go and import the folder. So you go to File and then you choose Open Folder as Workspace. So I'm going to go to Browse to our www. Then look for the folder. Okay, pugicode.com. There is, it is loaded, so we're going to go to database and then we'll look for migrations. All right, so they created our first migrations for the password and the user table. So if I double click, you can see this is what we have. So we have schema create. So we're not going to use this, but we're going to use the CMD or the command panel to create our item. All right, so let me look for, okay, pugicode.com. So press shift, right click, and then open the terminal. So I'm going to open the shell, and then I run php artisan serve, and then I'm also going to press shift. Now I create one where we're going to create the databases from. I'll go to the documentation and look for database. So getting started, migrations. Okay, so you can read through those because there are different versions. For example, there is Postgre. Postgre is usually used is more used by people who are developing with the Elixir and the Phoenix. Okay, there is also SQLite, SQL Server. Okay, now for us, we're going to be using the MySQL. So you read through the required policies. We are already connected to the database in our first instance. Okay, so we're going to type php artisan make migration create playlist table, playlist underscore table. Okay, so it has gone to the next line just because my shell editor is large enough. I did that for us to be able to see whatever I'm typing. Now, there are cases where they say that Laravel wants prose, and that's not true. Yes, it is true, prose will help you simplify everything, but if you have your logical way of creating these tables with singulars, it means you may have errors, but Laravel has a way of eliminating such errors. Okay, so let's press enter and we see. So that migration has been created. So if I come back to our okay, let me widen it. You can see, so we already have the playlist table. Okay, so that's the playlist table. We're going to fill it later. Let's make sure that we do for all so that we come and fill in the required items for the playlist. Okay, so what's our next item? Videos table. So it's going to be the same. So let's create the videos table. Okay, so I'll type php artisan make migration space create videos table. Press enter. Okay, that is created. So we wait until it brings back our handle. So let's see which other table we're creating. Comments table. Okay, php artisan create PHP artisan make migration, create comments table. Okay, that is done. Now, create is just a syntax to show that you're creating a table, but the table name will be comments. Okay, let's see our next table. Role PHP artisan make migration, create role table or rows table. Rows table. Enter. Okay, that is done. Let's see our next table. The user role will be created later. It's a pivot table, but the purpose you'll see, but we're going to create it later for a certain purpose you'll see when we come to the users. So we're going to create a subscriptions table and a categories table. Okay, so let's see. PHP artisan make migration, create subscriptions table, subscription table. All right, so let's see what is our next table, which is categories table. PHP artisan make migration, create categories table. All right. Hi, thank you for watching this video. You can see that we have all our tables now created. So the tables can be added with time, but let's begin with this. Let's go in the next video and we shall see how we add the table columns. Thank you so much.